Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're safe and healthy in this pandemic, and welcome to my brand new video in my brand new channel. So today we're going to learn how to deploy websites on Firebase. So first things first, let me show you my website which we're going to deploy right now. So let's open it. And guys, it's going to take some time. I don't know why my PC is getting slower these days. Okay, never mind. Just 1-2 seconds or 5 seconds maybe. Alright, so this is my website. This is a really simple website, just a dark mode toggle button which actually makes the background dark and white, as you know what dark mode does. Alright, so if you were wondering that how did I make this, then you can just check the video that is in my YouTube channel. So now we're going to deploy this website in the Firebase hosting server. Alright, so let's not waste any more time and let's get started right away. So first of all, you need to go to your Firebase account and then click on get started, and here we're going to add a new project, so click on add project, and now you have to name your project. I'm going to name it dark mode. You can name it whatever you want. And now you can check the Google Analytics, or you can uncheck it. It's not a problem for just hosting. Then we're going to create continue, and then here you have to select your account, and our project is actually creating. Okay, so now Firebase is creating our project. It might take some time. Okay, now click on continue. And as you can see, our project has been created. Great. And now we're going to create a web application. So I'm going to click on this icon right there, this icon. And now you have to name your app. So I'm going to name it dark mode again. Oh, wait. Let's say dark mode and register app. And then click on next. Then click on next. Then we need this line of code. Then click on next. And then continue. Alright, so our web app has been created. Now the next step. What is the next step? Now we have to install Firebase in our project. So go to the folder where you have the code and then type npm I Firebase. And that's going to install the Firebase package that we need in order to deploy the website on Firebase hosting. So it's going to take some time, so I'm going to see you in a second. Alright guys, now we have Firebase installed. Now we have to install another package called firebase-tools. So we're going to say npm install-g global, which stands for global, then Firebase tools. Then it's going to take some time maybe. And one thing I forgot to mention, guys, consider subscribing and please smash that like button so hard that it turns blue. Okay, it's really going to help me out. So if you do that, it is really going to help me out. Thank you very much if you did that already. So I don't know why it is taking that much time, but it should be faster in your computer. Alright, so we're done. Now we have to initialize Firebase in our project. So for that, we need to type Firebase init. And that's going to initialize Firebase in our project. And now it's going to ask us, are we ready to proceed? So we're going to type Y and then enter. So Y and then enter. Now we're going to select hosting, and you have to press spacebar right here. And then you have to press enter. Then we're going to go for use an existing project. Then we're going to select our project. So these are all projects that I have in my account. So select dark mode, and then this is really important, guys. Here you have to type build, okay, not public but build. So here, yes, it is a single page application, so Y and enter. So no, I'm not gonna go for GitHub. And now what we need to do is to say npm run build. So npm run, oops, not I, but it's going to be npm run build. Alright, nice. Alright, great. So now it is going to run the build folder that we just created. So is optimizing the production build, so it's gonna take some time maybe. All right, so now what we have to do is really simple. It is just one line of code and it's gonna take our website on live. So we're gonna say firebase deploy, and that's actually it. That's it. So now it is hosting our full website on their server. And after it completes, it's gonna give us a link. So that will be actually the URL that the Firebase is hosting our project to. All right, great. Look at that, guys. We are done deploying our web application. So this link is actually the link I was talking about. So let's go to it. And here you go, guys. Our project is live, so that you can see it is a live website, and you can see the URL at the top right there, and we are live. So that was actually all, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe and smash that like button. It really helps me out, and stay tuned for the next video. Love you all, guys. I'm out.